Hello everyone. I wanted to talk about something that is happening at this very moment where most of the youngsters these days are running away from committing themselves to relationships, especially youngsters. The present generation youngsters are looking at marriage as a big responsibility that they cannot commit themselves, or they are not ready to commit or take such big responsibility, be it a career or becoming a parent or raising children. They are looking at it as a big risk. This is not a very healthy trend. It's important that we need to look at it for you to grow from the childhood, from the time that we are born, and your childhood, adolescence, all the years that you have spent in learning and becoming a person, and then you are stopping here and then only wondering as to I cannot take these responsibilities and they are too scary is not a very mature way of looking at life. Of course, there are a lot of complexities involved in all these life events, but it does not mean that you will stop growing yourself. So when you are committing yourself to a relationship or to a career, your personality is also maturing along with that, and then you are bringing your full capabilities and full potentialities unfolding as you are going through different situations, handling different complex stressful areas in your life, and then you are actually becoming the person you are meant to be. So my sincere suggestion to all the youngsters, instead of running away from commitments and responsibilities, take them like as a challenge, and then you will see yourself becoming a more mature and able to handle life with much more happiness. Thank you. To add up to another important aspect, if you have to grow a beautiful flower garden to its complete colorful blooming flowers, or to become a complete family, it doesn't happen overnight. It has to go through harsh winds, it has to go through stormy rains, it has to hold on to the shivering colds. Only then the final colorful blooming flowers you can see. Life is like that. Only when you go through all these phases, then life becomes beautiful. Think about it, all youngsters. It's not something to be run away from. It is something that you need to make yourself a complete person. Let your personalities bloom into complete flowers. Thank you.